Alright, have you guys gotten into the computers at all?
No, we have not.
Okay, so you'll do so your password is and then so it'll be like that for every cruiser.
Oh, cool.
You know, so you can be at oh, I'm sorry. Hit cancel. I got it. So hit cancel. We're going to redo that. So capital P. Yeah, when you get that box that comes up, means you put in the wrong password, or you have like no internet service. But so yeah, so that'll be the same for basically everything. So that's good to kind of jot down, remember. But when you get to your FTO period, they'll go over that with you again. Let's just keep trying. Alright. And you guys have radios, right? Like body mics? Okay. Where's yours at? Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, let's go over some of the basics. Freeway shit. Alright, you know how to turn your lights on, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry that activated my thing.
Yep, and then flip it all the way for. So you know the difference between 1, 2, and 3?
I do not, no.
So
If I remember, 1 is just the backlights.
Right.
2 is
rarely used, just like your mids.
It's like the warning lights, the
Yeah.
direction lights.
And then 3 is full. So most of the time when you go, you know, full lights and sirens, you're running 60s, you'll be on 3. Generally back. Like I rarely use 2. Most of the time I'm either 1 or 3, but it's obviously up to you what you want to do. But so for some reason we need to go lights and sirens, which we probably won't. Just flip it to 3.
Yes, sir.
And it'll activate, you know, unfortunate with the new cameras, it'll activate your CVS.